Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And let's take a look at this 2019 Toyota Highlander Hybrid Limited all-wheel drive. It is in the Blizzard Pearl exterior with the gray leather interior. And checking out our window sticker, this one is going to have the special color option as well as the clear paint protection hood and door package and phone charger for a total of $47,852. Gas mileage is 29 city, 27 out on the highway, 28 combined. So coming down here to our wheels, these are riding on Toyota open country tires. These are your 19-inch alloys on your limited trim. As you can see, your hybrid badging right there on the back. But we'll go ahead and come in. So you do have your smart key access system, so just keep the key fob on you. Hand behind the door handle to unlock. This one does have 9 miles on it, so foot on the brake and your power button to start. And so it is ready to drive. Let's check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath the hood, you do have the 3.5 liter V6 connected to hybrid synergy drive power plant for a net total horsepower output of 306. Going to all 4 wheels through an electronic on-demand all-wheel drive system with intelligence and a CVT continuously variable transmission. Now you also do have the regular gasoline 3.5 liter V6 Highlander as well. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now before coming in, over here side mirrors, they are body color, turn signal indicators with your clear paint protection film, blind spot monitoring, and they are heated. But coming in, we do have that gray leather interior, blue contrast stitching, all your power adjustments with your power lumbar and power thigh extension, 2-person memory, padded door panel materials, padded armrests, all automatic windows, power locks and power mirrors, premium JBL audio below that. And stepping in, you have your automatic high beams, power trunk, windshield wiper de-icer, and parking sensors over there to the left. And coming to our steering wheel, it is a 3-spoke leather wrapped wheel, audio as well as your Bluetooth and voice commands over on the left. And then over on the right, you do have your center display controls via this D-pad, lane departure alert with lane keep assist, as well as your dynamic radar cruise. Automatic headlights, fog lights, and blinkers. Then over on the right, variable and speed wipers and your rear wiper controls. Now over here on your head unit, as you can see, your energy monitor right there. Going to your audio sources, AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going home, split screen view that you can customize, or by going to your apps, you do have your driver easy speak you can activate right there. You also do have your navigation integrated into your head unit. Destination and input can be an address, a point of interest, or 6 different presets down below right there. Down here we do have our tri-zone automatic climate control with your driver, front passenger, and then your rear zone right here. Technology shelf, and there's a cut through down there to connect anything on the shelf to your charging USBs or the audio inputs right there. You'd have a 12-volt outlet, as well as your EV mode, eco mode, and your traction control off. Here's that CVT continuously variable transmission with sport mode and manual shift. Reverse does give you your rear backup camera. You can get a bird's eye view camera on the limited platinum trim Highlanders. Right here we do have our heated and cooled seats for the front passengers. Plenty of room down here in your storage cubby with a 12-volt. Plenty of room on your damped glove box, auto dimming rearview mirror with garage home link up top, map lights, conversation mirror, and sunglass storage. Mirror and vanity light right there on your sun visor. You also do have your power sunroof. So we'll go ahead and check out the rear seat. And coming back here, that gray perforated leather does follow through. 2 captain's chairs in this model, but a bench is available in the Highlander. As far as your door panel goes, you do have the rear sunshade, as well as all the padded materials, power window, and your door storage. And then behind my 5'9" driving frame, plenty of knee room, plenty of foot room to stretch out also. Dual seat mount pockets. You also have your climate controls and charging outlets down below there. Nice sturdy table right here with cup holders and storage. You also do have your individual armrests that do height adjust. And then up top, you do have your illumination, vents, damped cooling handles with the coat hooks, and you have the same modules back there in the 3rd row. Speaking of which, we'll go ahead and check that out. And coming to the 3rd row, just go ahead and lift up on this lever right here. slide forward and it gives you easy access to the 3-seat bench back there. Belts for 3, I'd keep it to 2 back there to stay comfortable. Cup holders on either side though, with those vents up top. Now let's check out the cargo area and then we can wrap up our video. And coming around back to open up your trunk, there actually is a glass popper right here, so if you do just have some groceries to throw in, you can easily put those in right there. But below that, press your membrane to access your power hatch. We'll open right up. And as you can see, you do have adequate room behind your 3rd row of seats. You have a little underfloor storage as well with your jack. But you can easily throw these down in a 60-40 fashion to expand cargo room. And of course, the 2nd row captain's chairs fold down flat as well for even more space. Temporary spare tire is located underneath the vehicle. And that about wraps it up for the 2019 Toyota Highlander Hybrid Limited all-wheel drive. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.